Taking a nap, a simple guide to a common English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, taking a nap. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you communicate better in everyday situations. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Taking a nap simply means sleeping for a short period, usually during the day. Unlike a full night's sleep, a nap is brief and is meant to quickly refresh you. It's a common activity in many cultures and is often done when someone feels tired but doesn't need a long sleep. You'll often hear this phrase in casual conversations. For example, someone might say, "I'm feeling a bit tired. I think I'll take a nap." It's used to inform others that you're going to rest for a little while. It's also common to ask someone, "Did you take a nap today?" when they mention they were feeling tired earlier. In some cultures, taking a nap is a regular part of the daily routine. In countries like Spain, the siesta is a traditional time in the afternoon when people might take a nap. Understanding the cultural context can help you better grasp how and when to use this phrase appropriately. There are a few variations to the phrase, taking a nap. You might hear someone say, "I'm going to catch a quick nap," or "I need a power nap." These all mean the same thing, a short sleep to recharge your energy. That's all about taking a nap. It's a simple yet essential phrase in the English language, particularly useful in expressing the need for a short rest. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. Happy learning! And don't forget to take a nap if you need one.